Fibromyalgia is a disorder that causes constant pain in several parts of the body. This disorder affects more women than men and is directly associated with fatigue, sleeping disorders, headaches, depression, and anxiety. Apart from overall pain, some other common symptoms are fatigue, memory loss, lack of concentration, bad headaches, painful menstrual periods, depression, and anxiety. There are 6 foods that anyone with fibromyalgia should eat: cloves, cabbage, turmeric, cayenne pepper, sage, ginger. All of these foods contain substances that are excellent at treating fibromyalgia. The turmeric, the cloves, and the ginger, for example, have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. One great home remedy to treat fibromyalgia is a juice made from cabbage and oranges. Cabbage is actually the secret ingredient because it's rich in magnesium, a very important substance for your overall health. Just for you to understand how essential magnesium is for our body, it's necessary for 300 different biochemical reactions in our bodies. Cabbage is also rich in vitamin B5 or pantothenic acid. Vitamin B5 helps several disorders such as hair loss, allergies, stress, anxiety, respiratory diseases, and heart diseases. Furthermore, this vitamin can help improve immunity, osteoarthritis. It lessens the signs of aging, increases resistance, fights infections, diabetes, and skin diseases. And it even helps with mental problems such as anxiety and stress. Cabbage is also a great source of calcium, iron, phosphate, and vitamins A, B, and C, which help tone muscles, strengthen bones, improve blood circulation, boost energy, and detoxify your body. Here is how to make this recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup of pure orange juice, 2 cabbage leaves. Instructions: blend the cabbage into the orange juice and drink it immediately. Don't strain the juice. Drink this juice 2 times a day, one on an empty stomach and the other towards the end of the day. This home remedy should be taken daily, and it will take about a month to see some improvements. St. John's wort tea has relaxing properties and lessens the pain of fibromyalgia. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of St. John's wort leaves, 500 milliliters of water. Instructions: put the ingredients in a pot and bring them to a boil. Once it boils, turn off the stove and put the lid on the pot. Let it cool, strain it, and drink 3 to 5 cups a day. If you know anyone who has this condition, share this video with them. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.